Is your radiator cold at the top but warm at the bottom? Don't call a plumber just yet. The problem could simply be trapped air inside the radiator. Luckily, bleeding a radiator is a quick job you can usually do yourself. First, turn off your heating and allow the radiator to cool down. This is important because the water inside the system can be very hot. You'll need a radiator key, a cloth, and a small bowl or container. Find the bleed valve at the top corner of the radiator. Place the cloth underneath it, insert the radiator key, and slowly turn it anti-clockwise. You should hear a hissing sound. That's the trapped air escaping from the radiator. Keep the key in position until the hissing stops and a small, steady amount of water begins to appear. Now carefully turn the key clockwise to close the valve. Don't over-tighten it. Turn your heating back on and check the radiator again. It should now heat more evenly from top to bottom. Finally, check your boiler pressure and follow your boiler manufacturer's instructions if it needs topping up. And that's it. A simple DIY fix that can help your heating work properly again.